So as I was saying before, whoever wears it can see a slightly different world through its staring eyeballs. And that's the Alpha Draconian wearing it. The Alpha Draconian is seeing a slightly different world. It's really, this bird-like. It's seeing a slightly different world. And then the masses were revealed. The different world is the true one. The different world. Wait, if it can see a slightly different world through its staring eyeballs. It can see a different world through its staring eyeballs. See a different world. You can see a slightly different world. You can see a slightly different world through its staring eyeballs. You can see a slightly different world. They shapeshift in order to blend in. And you can see a slightly different world through its eyeholes. The human world. There's the Alpha Draconian world. It wears it. And it pretends it's human. And when the masses were the different world, their different world is the human world. And when the masses were no, so the human world is the true world. A slightly different world is the true one. The different world is the true one. Their world is the Alpha Draconian. The Alpha Draconian world. Oh, so their different world is the human one. Our world, our existence. What they've made. The Saturn Moon Matrix. And when the mask is revealed. So their human world is the true. They're saying that the Saturn Moon Matrix world is the true one. And basically, what they pretend to be, the human world is. They're saying that this is the true one, but it's not. The Saturn Moon Matrix is not the true one. Alpha Draconians and Archons use black magic. The frog-like Archons there. They use black magic to dominate the world. They make the world like the Illuminati card game. Or like a cartoon world. They're real. I have a friend. His neighbor's friend was like, you know, exorcism. He got rid of, like, got demons out of, like, people. We had to stop because he was possessed by a demon.